Partner business planning often lives in spreadsheets and email threads, slow to build, difficult to approve, and nearly impossible to measure. ZINFI Business Plans standardizes partner planning with reusable templates, guided partner submissions, governed approvals, and admin-only analytics, all in one system. Admins start by creating plan templates for specific partner tiers and plan types, like a joint marketing plan. Each template includes measurable objectives, like revenue targets that are mapped to target buyer titles and industry verticals. Using Assign To, admins control which partners or groups can access the template, ensuring the right framework reaches the right audience. Partners open the assigned template and build a structured business plan, including company profile, market segmentation, strengths, weaknesses, differentiators, and go-to-market strategy. Plans also capture executions, quarterly pipeline targets, training commitments, and campaign calendars with execution dates and target list size. When ready, partners submit their plan for approval, with real-time status updates and transparent review tracking. Admins review submissions and approve or reject with comments, while the approval history maintains a complete audit trail across levels. Plan reports are available only to administrators, providing business intelligence across all partner plans, goals, and execution. Track planned revenue by region and compare target versus planned revenue by country to identify gaps and focus investments. Monitor planned trainings, training hours, completion progress, and drill into partner-level training performance. See campaign execution plans by type, partner participation by campaign, and execution trends by month tied directly to plan goals. With standardized templates, guided partner submissions, governed approvals, and admin-only analytics, ZINFI turns partner business plans into measurable, actionable growth.